Welcome to this tutorial on using AWS Amplify DataStore, a cloud-based data storage solution provided by AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify DataStore allows you to store and manage data in a scalable and secure manner, both online and offline. To get started with AWS Amplify DataStore, you need to set up an AWS Amplify project and install the necessary dependencies. Once you have set up your project, you can start using the DataStore by initializing it and creating a schema for your data. The schema defines the structure of your data, including the types of data you want to store and the relationships between them. You can create a schema using the Amplify CLI or by writing code in your application. After creating your schema, you can start storing and retrieving data using the DataStore API. The DataStore API provides a range of methods for storing, updating, and deleting data, including creating, updating, and deleting individual records, as well as querying and scanning data. One of the key features of AWS Amplify DataStore is its ability to work offline. When your application is offline, the DataStore stores data locally on the device, and then syncs it with the cloud when the application comes back online. To use the offline capabilities of the DataStore, you need to configure the DataStore to use a local storage provider, such as the AWS Amplify DataStore local storage provider. Best practices for using AWS Amplify DataStore include optimizing your schema for performance, using efficient data retrieval methods, and handling errors and conflicts that may arise during data synchronization. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use AWS Amplify DataStore to store and manage data in your application, and take advantage of its scalability, security, and offline capabilities. In summary, AWS Amplify DataStore is a powerful tool for storing and managing data in a scalable and secure manner. And by following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using it in your application today.